Right now, more than 30 state parks are back open after they were closed last month due to COVID-19. That closure was prompted by reports of vandalism and people at the parks ignoring social distancing guidelines. So our Ryan Jenkins explains what new precautions have now been put into place.
These new rules are aimed at slowing and stopping the spread of the coronavirus. The trails are back open. You can come out and get your daily exercise, but many aspects of these parks remain closed until at least May 26th.
It was very crowded, and there were people walking where they shouldn't have been.
Scott MENTINK visits Kohler Andre State Park regularly and said he understands why parks were closed last month, but both he and another park visitor, Shannon Teska, are happy to be back.
Got up this morning at 5:30 and I'm like, I want to be the first person out there because I've been missing this.
As 34 of the state's parks reopen Friday, both park goers and officials say it's up to each person who visits to take ownership in keeping them open.
There's just like a constant stream of cars, like checking to see, are they open yet? Are they open yet?
When the superintendent of Kohler Andre State Park took down these barricades this morning, she said new rules were top of mind.
If there's a certain area where people are really starting to congregate, we might need to close those areas or try to restrict access to certain areas.
Events are canceled and campsites, playgrounds, shelters, and most facilities, including restrooms, remain closed. All properties will also close on Wednesdays for upkeep, and visitors must call ahead to buy their annual vehicle admission pass. Fees are no longer waived. The cost $28 for your first car and $15.50 for each additional, and daily passes won't be offered.
The goal is public health. We want people to be able to come out and enjoy the parks and get some exercise, but we also need to try to keep people safe while they're doing that.
And park officials tell me there's now more law enforcement and staff on hand to help monitor activity. In Sheboygan County, Ryan Jenkins, TMJ4 News.